Hello everyone, this is Jane. Welcome to CHINT molding rail manufacturer based in Wenzhou. Here we have 6,000 employees and covers an area of more than 60,000 square meters. There are 98 production lines in total, with a maximum production capacity of one day can reach to 2.72 million poles. Maybe it's just a number hard to understand. Let me explain in another way. Our yearly production capacity can reach to 700 million poles, and one MCB is about 80 centimeters. So if we put the product one by one, it can exist one circle of the Earth. So please follow me and let's take the journey to see how the MCB are produced here. Hi, this is Jane. I'm back. I'm so excited now because later I'm going to the automatic production line. And I just got the confirmation from the production manager here. The production capacity here has already returned to normal. And the orders we already have in hand make the full load running will be at least another 2 months. And in the meantime, CHINT is also working on the expansion of the production capacity. To get more information here, I have invited one of my colleagues, Ricardo, to show us around. Hello, Ricardo.
Hello, Jen. Hello, everyone. This is Ricardo. Today is an honor to show you around in our factory. Firstly, should we go to our automatic component production line?
Yes, sure. Let's go. Ricardo, it's so noisy here. Where are we now?
We are in the automatic component production line. This is the most advanced in China. Includes thermomagnetic, and plastic parts. The two lines are for the floor and the mantle. Can be divided in 3 areas. The first area is for the punching, welding, integrated process. And now we are going to the second area.
Okay, let's go.
This is the second area for the photo welding and assembly.
It looks very high technical.
Of course, we are the most advanced in China. This is an area for the automatic logistics station.
Yes.
Regarding the whole production line through the automatic equipment and the integration of the punching, welding, and assembly. Our product speed can reach 150 steps per minute.
Wow, that's really a very fast speed. It's like a money printing machine.
You can see that. After we saw the metal production line,
yes,
now we're here. Automatic injection mold production line. Through this line, we can realize the MCB plastic cover automatically producing, packing, counting, and finally sent to the second floor assembly line through this elevator. So Jen, do you want to go with the components?
Yes, sure, why not?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Wow, Ricardo, where are we now?
Actually, we are in MCB, automatic assembly production line.
So here we are. I heard that this line is totally designed and manufactured by CHINT.
Yes, you are right.
And I'm wondering that compared to the traditional production line, what advantages now we have after the upgrading?
Yes, Jen, you are right. By smart factory management, we could have improvements. Like we achieved 50% reduction in operating costs and the efficiency of each worker increased by more than 200%. And furthermore, we will be upgrading. You know that in this September, 4 new lines will be launched in this year, and we believe that we will witness the magic happens again.
The magic happens?
Yes,
I'm so eager to see that.
Me too.
So Ricardo, thank you for your time today.
It's my pleasure.
So it seems that the information intelligence system is like the neural for the human body. And the AGV logistics system here is like the blood. Each section performs well and efficiently integrate to ensure the good delivery. And this is the process we can see that for the MCB production. And in the following time, I will show you how the product in bigger frame like the MCCB, ACB are produced there. Hello everyone, this is Jane. I'm now in the CHINT manufacture workshop of CHINT MCCB, ELCB, ATF, and this connector with a total of 4 categories and 26 series of products. The product here sells well in more than 140 countries and regions in the world. And the annual sales here can reach to 23 million pieces. Okay, now we are entering the testing lab. Here we have the inspection for incoming material and the test before delivery, and also the verification for IMD. So let's take an interview of the engineer here. Hello, Derek.
Hello, Jen. Welcome to our test chamber.
Yeah, thank you. How's your work?
A little bit now.
Okay, what kind of test you are doing now?
Yeah, you can see I'm working on the alternating heat and humidity testing here,
Okay.
which mainly simulates some harsh application environment here. This aim is to verify the applicability of our products.
Okay, so what other tests we can do here?
Besides this test, we can also do some other tests here. If you want, I can show you.
Okay, please.
The first area you can see, this area is for our multi-function reliability test.
Yes.
It carries out the test of our product body and some other accessories. And you can see the screen. All the data and the test qualification can be recorded by our system automatically.
Oh, automatically.
Yeah, so nobody need to stand here to record all the data.
Okay.
And you can see this area, we can do the instantaneous and the delay test here. And you can see the screen. We can see the real-time data from this.
Wow, so we can check the real-time data from the screen.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
And you can see, besides this room, we also have another big room that we can do the high and constant temperature test here.
Okay, so the temperature test, right?
Yeah, if you have some interest, I can show you.
Okay, sure. Let's go. Okay, Derek, so just now we visited the CHINT MCCB manufacturer workshop. Where are we now?
Yeah, Jen, now we are in the CHINT ACB manufacturer workshop.
Okay.
And you can see this is one of the automatic production line for CHINT ACB products. The daily capacity for this production line is more than 200 sets.
Wow, 200 sets.
Yeah.
And I saw this vacuum before. It's called AGV, right?
Yeah, Jen, you are very smart. It's AGV. It's kind of automatic guided vehicle.
Okay.
Even it's very small, it can carry out more than 500 kilograms goods.
Wow, 500 kilograms.
We can help our workers to transfer the materials and the components to the whole production line.
Wow, so it's very important here.
Of course, yeah. Now let me show you the whole production line.
Okay.
You can see the first part is the 4 stations. The workers are making the assembling of the components. For example, the contactor, the intelligent controller, and the operation mechanism,
Yes.
and the current transformer.
Okay.
The last worker will make the inspection by himself, and then the qualified product will transfer to the next part.
Okay.
The next part we will do the treating force test. Yeah. And then the qualified product. Our workers will making the wiring connection for the product.
Okay, the wiring connection.
Yeah.
And Derek, I was wondering that any test we will do for each product before its delivery.
Of course, yeah, you know, quality control is the most important thing for CHINT. For each product, we will do main test before delivery. Yeah. For example, this part we will do the collaboration for the parameter for the intelligent controller.
Okay.
And for this part, we will do the test for the withstand voltage. Yeah. And then this device will do the simulation the user environment. The device will input one huge current to the product.
Okay.
Yeah. At last, this device will do main test to check the quality of our contact.
Okay.
Yeah. After all tests, the qualified product, our worker will do the packaging here.
Package.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the product will be transferred to the warehouse by the HGV truck.
Okay, so that's all the whole process,
Yeah.
right? Well, thank you very much, Derek.
You're welcome then.
Okay, bye. So here we can see that it's the whole process. We produce the ACB here, and the whole process is under the digital management and makes all the links can be traced. And we all know that quality is the life of the company. So for the next stop, I will show you how we do the quality control in the quality testing center. Let's go. Hello everyone, I'm Jane. Now we are in the CHINT Quality Testing Center. The center now has more than 240 advanced equipment in testing and collaboration and adopted more than 300 standards in this field. And today we are so lucky to invite Mr. Liu, the general manager here, to give us more information. Hello Mr. Liu.
Hello.
So what kind of tests we can do here?
Well, welcome to our testing center. The testing center consists of 3 parts: the ORT, calibration, physical and chemical testing.
Yes.
Here it is the location of our physical and chemical laboratory. We can carry out the material composition analysis, the hazardous substance detection, and the mechanical physical performance testing here.
Okay, wow, that sounds pretty professional here. So in the following time, let's follow the camera and see how each equipment functions here. Hi, Michael.
Hi,
What are you doing now?
I'm using the probe of this equipment to send out the ultrasonic waves.
Okay.
And the single waves will be generated by the transmissions of water to detect the welding quality of the contacts.
Wow, thank you.
My pleasure.
So this is how the welding quality is tested. And I know that mechanical properties are also tested here. Let's take a look. Okay, now we are going to the universal tester. Hi, Michael.
Hi.
What's the main function of this machine?
The main function of this machine is to test the mechanical properties of material, such as tensile, bending, and shearing. As you can see, what we are doing now is the PA plastic tensile test.
Okay. Hi, here we can see Echo's work table. Hi, Echo.
Hi, Jane.
Oh, so what's the name and detectability of this machine?
This equipment is called ICP and mainly detects trace elements in materials such as silicon, manganese, nickel, and copper.
Okay.
And the test results can be used to improve the performance characteristics of the material.
Thank you.
And welcome.
Hi, here we can see that William is operating rose testing equipment. Hi, William.
Hi, Jim. Actually, in 2005, CHINT Group established the enterprise standard for the control of hazardous substances. And now it has capability to detect 10 hazardous substances in row 2 to ensure all products meet the requirements for laws and regulations both at home and abroad.
Okay. Thank you, William. Okay, that's all of our journey here in Wenzhou. Thanks for watching. Let's give the mic to the next host.